Man, I just decided today was the day I was going to install my dimmers. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. Kind of just like tore my van apart and decided today was the day. I had these for a little while now, and it's just basic two switches. But the cool thing about these are dimmers for my LED lights. And I've had them for a while. I just didn't know where I wanted to install them. So I ended up moving my little metal baskets down a little bit, and I found a little spot right here that we can shove this metal plate into, and then we can install the plate. Then we can install the dimmer switches on the back, and it's real close to the wires. I've got all my wiring ready to go, and we're gonna cut a hole. We're gonna cut a hole for all this stuff to fit into, leaving a little bit extra so that I can install it with the wires poking through. So I gave it a little extra space. Let's see how this goes. So I tore everything out of my little electronics bay here. It's a little dark, but got my wires all tucked away so that I don't accidentally nick them. I found my shortest blade. Now I don't have anything else to cut with, so we're going to be using the Sawzall, but it's got a short blade, so hopefully we don't end up cutting anything sensitive back there. I'm sure we'll be fine, so yeah, come along with me while I cut my van apart. Alright, let's start cutting some holes. Just got to build myself a little wiring harness, 3 of them to be exact, because I've just got to take the wire from here, connect it to the box, and then take the box to the LED, or connect the LED to the LED, power to the switch, and then a negative wire to here, and then to the switch box. So it should just be like a little wire with 2 little ends. Pretty straightforward. So yeah guys, it's done. It's installed. Brights, dim, one off, which also needs to, these switches also need to be on for these to work. But the fact that I can dim them now is freaking amazing. So I'll probably have like the back ones on, like dim, you know, for like nighttime ambience or whatever, and then we'll leave the front ones on. But if I wanted to save like a bunch of power, not use a bunch of lights, turn the back ones off, just use the middle ones on like the dimmest setting like that. At least I can still see. At least I can still see, and it's not too bright, but it's not killing the battery. So if I need to go wake up in the middle of the night and use the bathroom, I can use those lights instead of, you know, turning on a huge bright light, blinding myself. I've got a bit of a mess to clean up now. and figure out what I want to use on a regular basis and what I don't need on a regular basis. Put the rest of the stuff away, and then I'll put the other stuff that I use on a regular basis up back here, and that project is done. Yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to do a little update on my van. Added a couple dimmers, and yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. So yeah, if you guys remember to hit the like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace out.